Guys, na-banned ako dahil nasobrahan sa pikon. Our content monitors have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of our terms of use. Recent violation reviewed Sunday, June 22, 2025, 12:50 p.m. Moderator note: Roblox does not permit bullying or harassment towards community members. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Hindi nga tumawa sa mukha mo. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Ba't ka natawa? Reason: harassment, offensive item. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Bakit hindi nga nagreklamo na hindi nice mukha mo? Hahaha. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Pake ko. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Hahaha. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Haha. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Siguro kung hindi ka pumayag kung hindi ka na nag-aaral. Reason: harassment, offensive item. Haha. Please abide by the Roblox community standards so that Roblox can be fun for users for all age. Your account has been suspended due to your violation history. You may reactivate it after Monday, June 23, 2025, 12:50. Buti na lang walang pasok. If you wish to appeal, please go to violation in Apple's. Tingin? Ba yun? Bitin daw nakakaintindi ng English. May bag egg, Noor. Saglit lang. The chat broke the rules, Noor. Okay. You wanna appeal by July 22. Noor. Your chat broke the rules. This chat goes against Roblox community standards. Request appeal. You can appeal by July 22, 2025, 12 p.m. Violation harassment location, grow a garden. Oh no. Ay, ano ba yan? Ba't ko binidyo, Nor? So, Nor. Parang saan to? Ganito? We'll follow up with updates on your upcoming comment. Sorry. Aha. Okay. Siguraduhin mo yan. Buti na lang walang pasok bukas. Oo. Okay, yun lang muna. I-upload ko to ng maya. Yes. Mag-upload na lang maya. Yan, bye. Yan na. Nakita niyo yung pag-uugali ko. Huwag niyong gayahin. Yes, tingnan niyo. Oh, grow a garden. Location, grow a garden. Yan ah. Yan. Lalo na ito oh. Yan, dalawa na yan.